Save on strawberries this week because Fry's has them on sale. You can get a 16-ounce container for just 97 cents each. Quench your thirst for cheap at Bash's this week. They have 32-ounce bottles of Powerade, and you can purchase up to 15 for just 59 cents each. Have some chicken this week for a good price. Bash's has chicken breast or leg quarters for just 97 cents per pound. You can buy 4 of those packs for that price. If you want some cereal, you can save at Bash's. They have select varieties of General Mills cereal for just $1.75 for each box, and you can buy up to 4 boxes at that price. You can save on boneless, skinless chicken breast or pork ribs for just $1.88 per pound at Albertsons this week. Get a little tropical for cheap. Albertsons has 3 mangoes for just $1. Food City is going to save you on avocados. You can buy 6 for just $1. You can also get 3 pounds of Roma tomatoes for just 99 cents, and you can get 6 pounds for that price. Make a pit stop at Sprouts and save on 4 ears of corn for just $1 or 4 pounds of watermelon for $1. I'll have more Valley Grocery Store deals posted on our website. Just head over to abc15.com/smartshopper. I'm Daphne Monroe, your Smart Shopper.